Keller Williams Bermuda is proud to bring to you Hemyock, a fantastic home situated in the quiet, peaceful, and central Zuills Park Drive in Smiths, with amazing views of the South Shore and towering above other homes in this neighborhood, allows for quiet and peaceful living. Built in the early 1970s, currently a 2-bedroom, 2-bath main house upstairs, and completely renovated, including air units in every room, a newly paved driveway, new plumbing and electrical in 2005, and manicured landscaping with upgraded appliances, this home is truly special. Moving downstairs to the lower level is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment, which also shares a wonderful little art studio, office, gym, take your pick. Above this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath apartment leading to an amazing side veranda. You'll love the storage space in this home, ample for each unit, and even a large, lower space with laundry and tons of additional storage. This home is a must-see, considering that it has strong income potential, as it has 3 apartments in total. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. Contact me today to schedule a viewing, as this opportunity will surely not be available for long.